Now I would like to show you each of the brush in this 4 gentlemen brush set. When and what topic we use for the different brushes here. Let's start with this orchid bamboo brush. So this brush has about 2.5 to 3 centimeters. So it's a medium-sized brush. This brush, as you can see from its name, orchid bamboo, so it's typically used for painting bamboo leaves and orchid leaves. This brush has a very resilient bristle, as you can see. At the very tip, the brush tip comes back, left a very fine tip, which has a smooth and a fine tip at the very end. And this is a small-sized brush, Happy Dot. We can use this brush to paint fine details. For example, bamboo joint, or anything that has a small size or fun lines, flowers, for example, plum blossom. These two brushes, as you can see, they have combined hairs. The inside, we have a brown hair that is more resilient, and outside is wrapped with a soft hair. So it has the resilience which is given by the hard brush hair inside, and outside this layer of the soft hair can contain more water, so when you paint it can last long. For this bigger size, this brush, we can use it for calligraphy or a multi-use purpose brush for painting. We can paint bamboo stem. And also you can use this to paint the trunk of the plum blossom. And like a big surface, for example, leaves, you can also use this brush. And this is a small size of this combined hair brush. We call it white cloud. We can paint an orchid flower. We can also use this same brush to paint a smaller size stroke. For example, a young bamboo branch. Or a baby leaf. So small size bamboo leaf. So these are the basic materials that can get you started for your painting or calligraphy journey. And with your practice, you will have more understanding about how each brush being used for different topics, and you will have a sense of feeling how they works in your hand. So in the future, if you want to paint different topics or different size of the painting, you know which one to choose and what size you need. However, at the beginning, Keep in mind, just make it simple and more practical to get the basic things you need and to get it started. Enjoy your practice and have fun.